In the last video I made on how you can still use Grok AI to create your videos, which a lot of you commented that it is actually working. Some people asked me to make a video on how they can use that same Grok AI in that platform to create a video where two people are having a dialogue. Do you understand? Two people or multiple people having a dialogue using one image. So that's why I decided to make this video to show you how you can actually use one image to make multiple people to have a dialogue in that same video. How you can still use Grok AI for free to create your videos. 100% free with consistent character, perfect lip sync, also create longer video. So make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and try as much as possible to share this video. Drop your comments in the comment section. If at all you try this out and it works for you, please do not hesitate to come back and drop your comments in the comment section. For you to be able to still use Grok AI to create your videos for free with perfect lip sync, consistent characters, and long video, go ahead to search for Robunio. Here is it. I'm going to paste the link, okay, on this video description and also on the pinned comment so that you can just click and it will take you directly to this platform. Take note, for you to be able to get this right, you have to watch till the very end, because it is not just once you hear the name, you rush to create video. No. If you do not follow through, you will not know how to navigate through it. So once you get to this interface, come over and click on this plus sign here. You see this plus icon, click on it. Now once you click on it, you see down here, you see text, you see image, you see video, you see audio. You want to make use of image to video, and also you want to make use of Grok to create video in this platform. So you come over down here, you are going to see video creation. Once you see video creation, come over to a part where you see image to video. Now if you want to do text to video, maybe you want to paste your text, you have your prompt already, you can select text to video. Go ahead to select image to video. Once you select image to video, come over here. What you selected is here already. Look at what I selected down here. I've selected text to video, I've selected text, and then I've selected image. So at this point, if this is not plugged in, you see where you see text is not plugged in here, what you have to do is for you to click on this box here, and then you make sure that it is linked. Make sure it is linked to this image to video. So once you do that, make sure that the image here is linked to also to this image to video. So once you do that, look at what we are going to do next. We are going to, remember, we want to use Grok to create. So let's get right in there. Now, for you to be able to get this right, you have to make sure that your prompt is ready. That is prompt where person A is going to talk. And inside that same prompt, you indicate person B. If it's going to be a male and a female, you are going to indicate male dialogue. And then you are also going to indicate female dialogue. With this, it's going to come out perfectly well. Another point to note is for you to get your image ready. Make sure that all the characters you want to talk are there in that image. For instance, you want 3 people to talk. Make sure that those 3 people are in that image. Just like what you are seeing on this image, where the husband and wife appear. This is a couple, and then you see this prompt here. I've indicated male and female. With this, the software will be able to know that, okay, this is the point that the male needs to talk, and this is the point that the female needs to talk. Do you understand? I'm going to paste my text. Look at my dialogue here. So once you do that, I'm going to click on this image down here, this image. I'm going to click on this plus icon right here. Okay, at this point, I'm going to select my own image, the one that I want to use. So I'm going to just select image that comes with 2 characters, because I want to show you how you can make perfect dialogue using 2 characters. That is what I want to show you in this video. So what I'm going to do is for me to come over here. Let me select this particular image here. Then I'm going to open. Now see, it is uploading, so you wait for it to finish uploading. So while it is still uploading, I'm going to come over here to where you see Sedans. I'm going to click on it. I'm going to select Grok, because the purpose of this tutorial is for me to show you how you can still use Grok for free to create your video. So I'm going to come down here and then select Grok. You see, I've selected Grok. So once you select Grok, it will automatically show here that you are using Grok AI to create your video. Trust me, I've been using this for some time and it works perfectly well. So go try out. So I'm going to, for duration, you have to go ahead to select your duration. So 5 seconds is there. Starting from 1 second down to 15 seconds, you can see that I'm going to be making use of 10 seconds. For resolution, you can see 720p is okay. Will come with high quality for us to create this. You can see the number of credits that it will cost me, and look at the credits I'm having so far. Daily credit. They get to give you daily credits that you can use to create your video. That is the amazing part of it. And that notwithstanding, I'm going to show you how you can also get more credits to create your videos. Okay, once you bring in your image and then you select your Grok, select your duration and resolution, kindly go ahead to hit run. Once you hit on run, you wait for it to finish generating. It doesn't really take time, especially when you have strong internet connection. It will not take time, so you just wait for it to finish generating. Then we are going to see the final results. You can see how fast it is. Right now it is already at 99%. Now the video is ready. Let me just go ahead to play for you to listen. Let's see if this is perfect or not. So I'm going to come over here. You see here, and then you have to unmute it and then kindly come down here to play.
Today's headline, how to use Grok AI to create videos for free with consistent characters is in perfect lip sync.
Let's bring in Victoria to show us Grok AI made me.
Can you see that? Perfect. 2 characters. Yes, with perfect lip sync and consistent characters. So for you to be able to download this, you come over here to download. Can you see that? That is how you can use Grok AI for free to create your videos and to maintain consistency. Do you understand? That is how you can be able to make 2 characters or multiple characters to talk using Grok AI for free, using this platform Robonio.ai.
At this point, if you've watched this video up to this point and you haven't given a thumbs up, please, I put in the effort to create this video. Do well to give this video a like. Make sure you like it, subscribe to this channel if you haven't, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Make sure you comment and share this video with your family and friends. Okay, let's continue.
So for you to be able to access the platform, as I said, I'm going to paste the link in this video description, and the link will also be in the pinned comment. So next, I'm going to show you how you can still also use Grok AI in this platform to create a dancing video. So if you want me to create the videos, just kindly drop in the comment section, create the video. Okay, if you want me to create, just let me know in the comment section if I should show you that. If you want to get more credits on this platform, you can refer people to get more credits. Just come down here to see redemption code or invitation code, copy the code and share with your friends and family. You can even refer yourself using another email. And once you sign up, the free credits will come down here. Can you see this? And beside that, this platform gets to give you daily free credits for you to use and create your videos. Okay, have not subscribed. You can see here, I've not subscribed. This is free version and I can create this. I can even create videos of 15 seconds using the free credits. Can you see how crazy it is? You can see it's done downloading. So I'm going to kindly come down here, play.
Today's headline, how to use Grok AI to create videos for free with consistent characters is in perfect lip sync.
Can you see that? So voila, you've gotten your video and it comes with higher quality. I really hope you found this video helpful. Let me know in the comment section and let me know if you are going to try this out. See you in my next one. Goodbye.